Hi everyone, I'm Kate Wu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint koi. That's a Japanese fish. And I'm going to do it step by step as requested by one of the messages left in my channel. Let's get started. First of all, rinse your brush before you pick up any color or ink. Then dab your brush and make sure that your brush is pointy like this. Now I'm going to show you how to paint a small fish. To start, you just need to pick a little bit of ink and test it on a piece of paper. This is the head, and then finish the body and tails with slender strokes. Then the fin and the other side of the eye. If you're not sure how much ink you have to test it on a piece of paper again. This light shade of gray is what we need for the rest of the fish. There is no fan brush in Chinese painting, so you just have to create a fan brush head this way. It's for the fins. For the red koi, we'll use orange and red. Get some orange first, and then some red. Again, use slanted strokes to paint the head, and then the rest of the body and tail. The main fin, the other eyes, the mouth, the gill, and the outline of the rest of the body. Now we're going to paint the real painting. Now I'm going to use the large brush to add some background and some water lilies. For green color, then take some yellow and blue to mix. I use only blue color for the water lily outlines. And then just black ink for the stem. Now I'm going back to the koi and add some black ink on the back of the koi as a pattern. The best timing to add the darker ink onto the back of the koi is when the first layer is semi-dry. Now I'm going to touch up the fine details and add the eyes onto the coins. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out the next update. See you next time.